Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take these RC hop-ups, bead locks, and install them on these Hyrax. These are for the SCX6. I'm going to show you how they're put together and how easy they are and how nice they look afterwards. These are going to be the black ones. He's got at JJ Customs, he's got them for sale at for $238.99, and then 50 bucks for a set of two. So it's 100 bucks for all four. It's gonna be like a floor model, so all the bolts and everything will be in it, ready to go. You just have to slide them in there and put them on. But he will do free shipping in the United States for them. For this, if you want to order them. And hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I already put two of these together. We are going to put these two more together. These are rims from RC hop-ups for the SCX6 with the Hyrax G8 compound proline tires. Comes with all your hardware. So nice rims, nice easy rims to put together. All come individually packaged, so they're nice and stay nice and clean. You can see that. It comes with like scale hardware. So, and it does take a 3.0 to put together, which most of your toolkits come with a 3.0. So everybody should have one of those. And it does come with a little tool to put the scale hardware on the front. This aluminum bead lock here in the center. They're fairly light because they are aluminum, but there's a lot of space here to put those lead weights if you want to, which would be good. There's the proline tires. They are a G8 compound. They're $49.99 a set. So if you want all four, it's going to be $200. No, I'm sorry, not $200, $100 online. And go check out JJ Customs website. You want to check them out. They're in the proline section of his website. His rims will be in the RC hop-ups section. You can go check them out there, or they'll be these will be on the counter at JJ Customs if you want to go check these out in person. And the address and all that, and all the links will be all below for this. So that was nice and easy to install there. So I like putting the little dot in the back. The G, I put the G for, I assume green. I assume that's green. G8 compound. I like pulling out the bead lock so it lines up a little better. And then flip that over. You can feel it pop in there. And that looks good all the way around that little section. And then you want to make sure you line up the holes with the holes in here. And make sure your bead lock's kind of in there. And these are like one of the easiest bead locks I've ever done, guys. So there's a hole in this bag. Which, We'll just rip this one open then. And the last ones came with a couple extra screws, so like I said, your 3mm. Make sure that screw's not in the way, let it drop. And you just push down on it, guys. As long as you're lined up. Push down a little bit and start screwing in. And they just go right on in there. These are some of the easiest rims I've ever done. Then I go around and pull that bead lock out all the way. See how this bead locks out, and then this is tucked in right here still. Pull that out. Okay. Same with the other side. This side looks good. You can see that little lip right on the outside of that. You can pull it out a little bit. Okay. These are pretty studly screws, guys. These are Then I just want to make sure, go back through and check your bead lock again. See, they're in there pretty good. They look nice. Look awesome, guys. These are nice. And then this is your little tool, okay? This comes in here, and one side fits the screw. It's just a cap that pops in there. Guess we can pull this one out and okay. So that just hides the nut. You put that on your axle, put the nut on the outside, and you can leave that off if you want for easy access, but it looks so much better when you put these caps on. I know a lot of guys don't like running them because they like to change the rims and tires and all that stuff, but that RC hop-ups, free shipping, JJ Customs in the United States, and he does ship worldwide out of the United States. It's a one flat fee, so you know, it all depends on how much you order and all that kind of stuff. I guess for that kind of stuff, that's above what I do. So you would have to call them and find out on what you ordered, depend on what you ordered, I assume. Because you know how shipping is nowadays, guys, but he does ship, he will ship out this RC hop-up product for free in the United States. Okay. These things are awesome. Boop, 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 boop. So there you go, guys. I'm going to do the last one offline, or off camera anyways. And so you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. And like I said, if you're interested in any of this hop-up stuff, RC hop-ups, go to jjcustomsllc.com. Link will be below. Plus, I believe he's on eBay